Hi guys, I was gifted this cabin and engine air filter from the seller so I could show you everything about it. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box so I can show you what it is. Now this is designed to fit your 2019 to your 2025 Acura RDX with the 2.0 liter four-cylinder engine. This is what it looks like. This one is for your engine air filter, and this one here is for your cabin filter. I do like that it comes in a pack, so then when you're changing one, you'll change the other. And you can set it up on subscription, and then, you know, get it every 6 months or however often you want to change your air filter. So if you guys are in the market for an air filter for your Acura RDX, go ahead and get this one. You're just going to love the pack. Thanks.